To use Cloud AI for the very first time, all you need to do is visit this link. Then once you come here, all you just have to do is come down here to create your account. Once you've inputted your email, it is going to bring you down here and you're going to click on any of this. Then you can choose to receive their subscription, right? Then select this, then click on create. And it's going to take you to the plan. All you just have to do is just use the free plan for now. You can go for the pro plan if you want. Then to tell you to download it on Windows, right? But for now, we're going to use it on the web. Okay, then when you get here, just click on continue. Then it's going to ask you for your first name. I'm just going to put my name, then click on continue. And I'm going to set this up later. So welcome to your first chat. So there are different things you need to know here. There is new chat. Anytime you want to write a new chat, it's going to bring you here, right? There is all your chat history where you see everything here. Then this is project where you can create projects. We'll be talking more about this. Then we'll be talking about artifacts. You can also create artifacts. This is cloud code, the favorite cloud code, but it's under pro. Then customize, right? You can customize skills. You can click on connectors. This is where you can connect different plugins and you can browse from like Canva to Wix to lots of stuff. This is where you come to do all that, right? Then you have your settings. Click here and go to settings. So once you go to settings, you can see all the different settings you have on your Cloud AI. So Cloud AI is fun, and let's see our first prompt. So let's say we want to prompt, we can prompt different kinds of things. So we come down here, you can see different models of prompt from low effort to medium effort to different category. But because we are using the free plan, this is what you have. So now let's say we tell it to create a planner. My tummy is big. I need an exercise planner to have a slim tummy. Then I'm going to click on this. So note, we can add things like if you want web search, we can click on it. If you want to upload a screenshot, if you want to add it to a project, if you want to add skills, if you want to add connector, whatever you want it is. If you want to add a plugin, you can add it here. Then if you want a voice tone, maybe you don't, your what you want to say is not coming to your head, you can actually use the voice mic. And let us click on this. So one good thing with Cloud is before it gives you a result, it asks you some questions. So how much time you dedicate to exercise daily? To me, I would say 30 minutes is fair. Then what equipment do you have access to? Uh, no equipment because I'm at home. Then what's your current fitness level? Beginner. So with this information, it's going to generate my answer or my planner. Let's see what it does for us. So after prompting, it built us a 4-week planner. So minimum 30 minutes, days, 5, 4-week plan, 0 day done. So take for example now, jumping jacks, new. This is what we're going to be doing every day to rest 30 seconds. So there are lots of things we can do. We can even tell it to turn this to an app if we want it, right? So there's a lot you can do with Cloud AI, and along the tutorial, we are going to be showing you how to do this and how to do more of this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.